I bought and tested these countertop ovens so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're a novice baker or a seasoned pro, I understand the struggle of finding the right oven that can handle cakes, pastries, and everything in between. Let's dive into my top picks.
Product number 1. Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven. When I first unboxed the Black & Decker Crisp and Bake Air Fry Countertop Oven, I was immediately impressed by its sleek stainless steel design. It's compact yet surprisingly spacious, capable of fitting a 9-inch pizza or 4 slices of bread, making it perfect for quick family meals. I decided to test its baking capabilities by whipping up a classic vanilla cake. The 5-in-1 multifunctional cooking features, air fry, bake, broil, toast, and keep warm are perfect for someone like me who loves versatility in the kitchen. The oven's even toast technology ensured my cake baked evenly without any hot spots. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. One of the biggest advantages is its user-friendly controls and 30-minute timer, which I found incredibly helpful for timing my bakes. The included accessories like the crumb tray and air fry mesh tray really made cleanup a breeze. However, I noticed that while it bakes well, the air frying function could take a bit longer than I expected for certain foods. Also, the knob controls, while easy to use, might not be as precise as digital settings. So why should you buy this oven? If you're looking for an affordable and versatile countertop oven that delivers consistent baking results without taking up too much space, then this is a great option. It's perfect for those who want a reliable appliance to help them bake delicious cakes and more, all while enjoying the health benefits of air frying.
Product number 2. Gourmet French Door Air Fryer. The Gourmet French Door Air Fryer is a game changer in my kitchen. With its 25-quart capacity, it can accommodate family-sized meals with ease. The dual doors are not just fancy, they make loading and unloading a breeze. I decided to challenge it by baking a chocolate layer cake, which typically requires a lot of attention. The air fry capability, combined with the 17 cooking presets, meant I could easily switch between baking and broiling. That Fry Force technology circulates heat evenly, ensuring my cake was perfectly risen and moist. In terms of pros, the precision digital controls were a highlight for me. I could easily adjust the time and temperature to get my cake just right. The included accessories like the stainless steel fry basket and baking pan made it versatile for various cooking tasks. On the downside, it's a bit bulkier than some other options, which might be an issue if you have limited counter space. Additionally, the learning curve for all the presets took a bit of time. So, why buy this air fryer? If you're serious about your baking and want something that can handle a multitude of cooking tasks, this Gourmet model is a fantastic investment. Its size and functionality will cater to all your baking needs, making it ideal for families or anyone who enjoys hosting. Product number 3. The Gourmet Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo is another fantastic choice that caught my attention. Its sleek black finish is visually appealing, but it's the functionality that really shines. With a capacity of 24 liters, it easily fits a 12-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, which is perfect for baking cakes or preparing snacks for gatherings. I decided to test its baking settings with a lemon drizzle cake, and I was thrilled with the results. The convection technology ensures even baking, which is crucial for cakes. When it comes to pros, the 17 cooking presets made it simple to switch between different cooking methods. The precision digital controls were intuitive and easy to use, allowing me to set the time and temperature quickly. What I found slightly disappointing was that the oven tends to run a little hot, so I had to keep an eye on my baking to avoid overcooking. Additionally, the door could be a bit wobbly when opening, which was a minor inconvenience. So, why should you consider this model? If you want an appliance that combines the best of a toaster oven and an air fryer, this combo is perfect. Its versatility and reliable performance make it an excellent addition to your kitchen, especially for baking cakes and other treats. Product number 4. Midea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. When I got my hands on the Medea Flexify French door booster oven air fryer combo, I was blown away by its features. With a whopping 26.4 quart capacity, it's one of the largest options I've seen. The appealing design and large LED display added a touch of modernity to my kitchen. I decided to put it to the test by baking a rich chocolate cake. The Cyclone air fryer feature made for quicker cooking times and 90% less oil, which was a pleasant surprise. My cake came out fluffy and perfectly baked. The pros of this oven are plentiful. Its precise temperature control and 5-degree increments allowed me to fine-tune the baking process perfectly. The 10 functions offered a variety of cooking methods, which is great for experimenting in the kitchen. However, the size may be a drawback for some, as it takes up more counter space than I'd like. Additionally, it does take a moment to understand its various features fully. Why buy this oven? If you need a spacious and multifunctional appliance that can handle everything from baking to air frying, the Medea Flexify is a solid investment. Its performance and efficiency make it ideal for anyone looking to elevate their baking game.
Product number 5, Black & Decker TO3250XSBD Extra Wide Convection Toaster Oven. Last but not least, the Black & Decker TO3250XSBD Extra Wide Convection Toaster Oven offers a combination of functionality and design that I found quite appealing. Its extra wide capacity means it fits standard 9 by 13 inch pans perfectly, which is a must-have for any serious baker. I tested it by making a carrot cake, and the convection heating worked wonders for even baking. The dedicated toast timer was also a fantastic feature that helped me get the perfect golden brown crust. On the pro side, the convection fan circulates air for fast, even cooking, which I really appreciated during my baking experiments. The spacious interior allows for various cooking tasks, and the included baking pan was a nice touch. On the downside, the temperature settings can be a bit off, requiring me to adjust my usual baking times to get the best results. Also, the knob control can feel a bit outdated compared to digital options. So why should you consider this toaster oven? If you're looking for a reliable and spacious unit that excels in baking, this Black & Decker model is worth considering. It's a practical choice for anyone who loves to bake and wants an oven that can handle a variety of recipes with ease.
In conclusion, each of these countertop ovens brings something unique to the table. Whether you prioritize size, versatility, or specific features, there's something here for every baking enthusiast. Choose wisely and happy baking.